Hi guys! Welcome back to Ask Angelo, where we answer all of your construction needs. It's summer here in the Philippines and the heat is perfect for doing various repair jobs that you can do yourself, such as repainting an old wooden furniture. To begin, you will need the following: gloves, a dust and fume rated mask, safety goggles, sandpaper, sander or angle grinder, clean rags, roller or paintbrush, Davies Timber Prime water-based wood primer, and Davies Aqua Gloss It. Safety first. Always work in well-ventilated areas. Bring indoor items outside if you have to. Wear gloves and a dust-rated mask at all times. Wear the safety goggles when using sandpaper, the sander, or an angle grinder. Clean the area to be painted with a damp rag. Get rid of the old paint and any other inconsistencies with sandpaper, a sander, or an angle grinder. Prime the wood with Davies Timber Prime water-based wood primer. Remember that primer is a substance that helps paint bond with the wood. Once dry, sand the primer down with a fine sandpaper until the surface is smooth. Wipe clean off dust. Apply a single coat of Davies Aqua Gloss It. Finished!
That's all for today. How can we help you become a champion builder? Visit us on Facebook or email me at mchomedepot@angelo@gmail.com, and don't forget to join us next week. See ya!
We would like to thank Davies Paints, Paints Reinvented, for sponsoring this section of Ask Angelo.